Hello again. So I was just going to explain why we draw the sticks, okay? So we have these things in school called base 10. I'm going to try and draw 3D on my daughter's whiteboard. And they kind of look a bit like this. So these are the 10s, and then we have the little cube ones, okay? So to draw it simply, we draw sticks and dots. That's what we call the method that we're going to use. So we've just done 2 10s, and now we're going to do our 3 ones, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have made the number 23 using sticks and dots, and we're now going to add on the extra 4 ones. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, for some children, I used to sometimes write above the answer 10s and 1s just to help them in knowing which one we're adding. Okay, so we're going to add our 10s first. Now, we have only got 10, 20, 2 10s. Okay, so we're going to write 2 just there. Okay, and 1s, we have got the 3. I try and encourage them to know that that's 3 and then count on. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So altogether, we have got the number 27. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's have a go at another. A lot different to my board at school. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is 31 add 4. Okay, so I kind of go through and talk about what the sum is. So why is this 31? So I would be expecting an answer, well, because we've got 3 10s and 1 1. Okay, so that makes 31. Sometimes you can do different questions like, oh, how many 1s, how many 10s, and so forth. Oh, what's one more than this number? And just getting sort of little questions in like that. Okay, so we're going to do the 10s and 1s method doing this. So I've got my 10s and my 1s. So how many 10s have I got? 30. So I've got 3 10s. 10, 20, 30. 3 10s. I've got 1 1. Okay, and then I've got 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So over in the answer, let's do our 10s and 1s. So how many 10s do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3. What is that? 30. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 35. Okay, really nice and simple today. And the last one, which we are going to do, I'll try and write a bit bigger this time, is 43. Okay, so what's this number we've got first? 43. How do I know it's 43? Right, because we've got 4 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40. How many 1s have I got? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'm going to add on 5 more 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for the answer, how many 10s have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s, which is 40. So I've got 4 10s there. And 1s, I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 48. Now, it depends on where you are with this learning, but I've started off really nice and simply, and tomorrow we are going to go on to regrouping. So that's where you cross a 10s barrier and we have to sort of do a little bit differently. Okay, so I hope that's all right. If you have any questions, please do message me on Dojo. But good luck and have a great week.